Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Signs your trailer's brake pads need replacing. Your trailer's brake pads play a critical role in safe towing. They're what stop your trailer when you need it to. If you don't replace them when they're worn out, you're looking at serious safety risks and potential damage to your trailer and tow vehicle. What are the signs that it's time for new brake pads, and how can you stay on top of this essential maintenance task? Warning signs of worn-out brake pads. When you're towing a trailer, the last thing you want to worry about is whether your brakes are going to work properly. But if you don't pay attention to the warning signs of worn-out brake pads, you could be putting yourself and others at risk. So, what are these warning signs, and how can you identify them? Let's take a closer look. One of the most common signs of worn-out brake pads is a change in the way your trailer brakes perform. If you notice that your trailer is taking longer to stop, or if you're feeling a decrease in braking power, it could be a sign that your brake pads are worn out. But there are other signs to look out for as well, including unusual noises and vibrations when you apply the brakes. Squealing noises. Squealing noises when you apply the brakes can be a sure sign that your brake pads are worn out. But what causes this noise, and how can you tell if it's related to your brake pads? The squealing noise is usually caused by a wear indicator on the brake pad, which is designed to scrape against the rotor when the pad is worn down to a certain level. This noise is like a warning bell, telling you that it's time to replace your brake pads. But it's not the only possible cause of squealing noises. You could also be hearing the sound of your brake pads vibrating against the rotor, or the sound of your brake calipers sticking. So, how can you tell if the noise is related to your brake pads? One way to check is to listen carefully to the noise. If it's a high-pitched squeal, it's probably your brake pads. You can also try to duplicate the noise by applying the brakes in different situations. If the noise only happens when you're towing your trailer, it's likely related to the brake pads. Vibrations and wobbling. Vibrations and wobbling when you're driving can also be a sign that your brake pads are worn out. This is because worn-out brake pads can cause your trailer's wheels to vibrate or wobble, especially when you're applying the brakes. So, how can you check for these symptoms? One way to do it is to pay attention to how your trailer feels when you're driving. If you notice any unusual vibrations or wobbling, it could be a sign that your brake pads are worn out. You can also try to check your trailer's wheels and brakes visually. If you notice any signs of wear or damage, it could be a sign that you need to replace your brake pads. For example, if you notice that your wheels are unevenly worn, or if you see any signs of brake fluid leakage, it could be a sign that your brake pads are worn out and need to be replaced. It's also a good idea to get familiar with how your trailer's brakes normally feel and sound, so you can tell when something is off. Do you notice any vibrations when you're driving, or any unusual noises when you apply the brakes? If so, it's time to take a closer look at your brake pads and see if they need to be replaced. Visual inspection of brake pads. When it comes to maintaining your trailer's brakes, a visual inspection is a great place to start. You can learn a lot about the condition of your brake pads just by taking a closer look. So, what are you looking for? Let's break it down. A visual inspection can help you identify potential problems before they become major issues. It's like doing a routine checkup on your trailer's brakes to make sure everything is working smoothly. You'll want to check the brake pads for signs of wear and tear, and there are a few things to look out for. Checking brake pad thickness. The recommended thickness for trailer brake pads can vary depending on the type of brake pad and the manufacturer. Generally, you want to make sure the brake pad is at least 1/8 inch thick. Any thinner than that, and it's time to replace it. But how do you measure the thickness of your brake pads accurately? One way to do it is to use a caliper or a ruler to measure the pad's thickness. You can also look for a wear indicator on the brake pad, which will give you an idea of how much life is left in the pad. To measure the thickness, you'll need to locate the brake pad and remove any wheels or calipers that may be in the way. Once you have access to the brake pad, you can use your caliper or ruler to take a measurement. It's a good idea to check the thickness of the brake pad in several different places to get an accurate reading. Looking for wear indicators. Wear indicators are designed to let you know when your brake pads are getting worn out. They can be found on the brake pad itself, and they usually consist of a small notch or a line that indicates the minimum thickness of the pad. When the brake pad wears down to the point where it's almost even with the wear indicator, it's time to replace it. But that's not the only type of wear indicator you might find. Some brake pads also have a small metal tab that will start to make contact with the rotor when the pad is worn out, causing a squealing noise. Others may have a series of small holes or lines that will start to disappear as the pad wears down. To identify the wear indicators on your trailer's brake pads, you'll need to take a close look at the pad itself. Check for any notches, lines, or metal tabs that may be visible. You can also consult your owner's manual or the manufacturer's website for more information on the specific wear indicators used on your trailer's brake pads. By knowing what to look for, you can stay on top of your brake pad maintenance and ensure your trailer is always safe to tow. Consequences of neglecting brake pad replacement. Neglecting to replace your trailer's brake pads can have serious consequences. What happens when you put off this essential maintenance task? You're not just risking damage to your trailer and tow vehicle, you're also putting yourself and others at risk of injury or even death. Can you imagine being involved in an accident because your brakes failed? It's a terrifying thought, and one that can be avoided by simply staying on top of your brake pad maintenance. So, what are the potential risks and consequences of not replacing your trailer's brake pads in a timely manner? Let's take a closer look. Accidents and injuries. Worn-out brake pads can increase the risk of accidents and injuries, especially when towing heavy loads. When your brake pads are worn down, they can't generate enough friction to stop your trailer safely. This can lead to a loss of control, especially when driving downhill or in emergency situations. Imagine you're towing a heavy trailer and need to stop suddenly. If your brakes aren't functioning properly, you could end up in a serious accident. The consequences can be devastating, ranging from damage to your trailer and tow vehicle to injuries or even fatalities. What would you do if you were involved in an accident because your brakes failed? The thought alone is enough to make you want to stay on top of your brake pad maintenance. Some of the most common accidents caused by worn-out brake pads include jackknifing, rollovers, and rear-end collisions. If your trailer can't stop in time, you could end up rear-ending another vehicle. That's it for part 1. We've covered some important warning signs to look for. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll talk about how to inspect and replace your brake pads. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.